and a scary voice,
and a baby voice,
and an echo voice, and you can make it slow motion. So, swing, swing, keep swinging. Get the Polaroid. And then we can make it really fast. Do it again.
Reverse it. Reverse it.
I can't.
You can't. Do something really fast now. Like what you just did.
Okay. And then we can make you echo. And then we can make two of you. No, we're doing something.
I'll do something. Oh, man. Wait. What are you doing? I'm playing basketball.
Wait, do your funny dance.
No.
Yes.
No, just show me the video.
I'm still taking it. I'm showing you all the effects.
He's not moving like he normally does, is he? That's because he went over on his ankle. And he is carrying on, so signs are.
I'm getting tired.
I'm almost done.